Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to change Facebook page name. To do it, so you want to make sure to open the Facebook page or maybe the account, and then switch to your Facebook page. After you've actually done it, so next you actually want to click on the gear icon or the menu bar from the top right hand side, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on settings and privacy. Once again, click on settings, and this is how it's going to look. So over here you want to scroll down and you have these page terms and all that, so you simply want to go ahead and look for that options. So when you go to the page section, what next you want to do is click on the three dot icon and go and click on edit. If you cannot find this edit option, then you want to do it from here. So go to the username, and after you've actually done it, so you want to go ahead and click on the edit name, and once you actually go to the edit section, then you'll be able to find this option where you could go ahead and change the name. You could switch it to, and make sure to click on review changes after which, and that is basically how you could change Facebook page name. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.